afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Dave with Spruce Industries here for another special Beyond the Product segment on beyond.spruceindustries.com. And you ever look on the back of a 5-gallon pail of floor finish and you see these percentages like 25, 15, 20%, and you're thinking to yourself, I don't know what that means. Let's just put it on the floor and let it dry and see what happens. Well, in this video, I'm going to explain to you what those percentages mean and how it's going to affect your decision-making process when selecting a floor finish. So floor finish is broken down into two separate parts, the non-volatile and the volatile components of it. Non-volatile is the stuff that's going to stay down on the floor once you apply it. That's going to be your polymers, your polyethylene waxes, your resin, your emulsifiers, your drying agent. All of that stays down on the ground. And then the other side of it is your volatile components, which is essentially water. That's stuff that's going to evaporate. What's important to note is that another word for non-volatile is solids. Now on the back of the pail, those numbers, 15, 20, 25%, that is the percentage of solids that's in that particular floor finish. And when you're refinishing a floor and you're wondering how many layers do I put down here so that my floor is protected, always remember that you want your floor protected 100%. What does that mean? So if you have 25% solids, you're going to want 4 coats of finish down to get to 100. 25 times 4 is 100. If it's 20% solids, 5 coats down. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking there's 100,000 different types of floor finish out there. How am I ever going to decide which one is right for my facility? Well, ultimately, it's up to you. Do you want something that's a little bit more shiny, that has some pop to it, a little wow factor? Do you want something that's durable? Do you want something that's a little of both? And you have to work around what your floor care program is going to be. How often are you going to burnish? How often are you going to scrub and recoat? And we can get into that. Give us a call here at Spruce. We're here to help. Oh, and one more thing. Let's make clean the priority, because clean is the priority.